Hi students, in this video we are going to discuss about side angle side criterion for similarity of triangles. Side angle side criterion. So here the side angle side criterion states that statement if one angle of a triangle is equals to one angle of other triangle and the sides included to these angles are proportional, then two triangles are similar. So this is the statement of side angle side criterion for similarity of triangles. If one angle of a triangle is equals to one angle of other triangle, one angle of a triangle is equals to one angle of other triangle, and the sides included to these angles, let me consider first how the two triangles will be. So let me consider first the triangle is ABC. This is ABC triangle, and we are going to consider one more triangle like this. So this triangle is, I am going to consider DEF. Then the one angle of one triangle, this one angle is equals to one angle of other triangle, these two, and the sides included to these angles, the sides, that is AB and AC are included sides. That means this angle is included to AB and AC side, and this angle D is included to DE and DF side. So that means what is given here? So given is in triangles ABC and triangle DEF, angle A is equals to angle D. That is first one condition. Then if two angles are equal, then included sides are in same ratio, that is AB by DE is equals to AC by DF, which is less than 1, because so we are consider ABC triangle is smaller when compared to DEF triangle. ABC triangle is smaller when compared to DEF triangle. That's the reason why we are taken it is less than 1 condition. Now, so this is about the given. So what we have to prove? So we have to prove that the required to prove is triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So both the triangle we have to make it as similar. So directly we should not prove the similar. That's the reason why we need some construction. What is the construction? So yes, we have to write this is construction. Already in previous similarity rules, that is angle similarity rule and side similarity rule, we are facing this type of construction. Then here also same construction we are going to consider. So now locate a point P and Q on D and DF respectively. Locate a point P and locate a point Q on DE and DF respectively, and join PQ line segment such that DP length is equals to AB and DQ length is equals to AC. That means locate a point, locate the points P comma Q on DE and DF respectively, such that DP length is equals to AB, comma DQ length is equals to AC, comma join PQ line segments. This is about the construction of the given proof. Now, required proof. Now, what is the proof now? When you consider PQ line segments. Now we are going to consider ABC triangle and DPQ triangle. Now consider triangle ABC and triangle DPQ. If you consider these two triangles, what it means that AB side is equals to DP side and angle A is equals to angle D, and similarly AC side is equals to DQ side. So from side angle side congruence rule, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ. When these two triangles are congruent, what it indicates that when from CPCT rule, corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. When already angle A and angle D equal, then coming to comma, what angle B is equals to angle P, comma, angle C is equals to angle Q. This is one condition now. So coming to the, I am going to consider this triangle now. So consider the ratio. Consider the triangle DPQ and triangle DEF. So this triangle DPQ and this triangle DEF. These two triangles we need to consider. Now also consider the first ratio, that is AB by DE is equals to AC by DF. That implies in the place of AB we can write DP. AB is equals to DP. That means we can write DP by DE, that is equals to, in the place of AC we can write DQ by DF. When DP by DF. So when you know DP by DE is equals to DQ by DF. So consider triangle DF. From triangle DF we have to consider. So consider the triangle DEF. So therefore PQ is parallel to EF. So reason is converse of basic proportionality theorem. So when converse of basic proportionality theorem states that in a triangle, if a line drawn which divides the two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to third side. According to this ratio, so dP by dE is equals to dQ by dF. dP by dE is equals to dQ by dF. When dP by dE is equals to dQ by dF, then it divides the two sides of a triangle in the same ratio. Hence the region, then PQ is parallel to EF. When PQ is parallel to EF, so we know that corresponding angles are equal. That means angle P is equals to angle E and angle Q is equals to angle F. So therefore, angle P is equals to angle E and angle Q is equals to angle F. From this concept, angle P is equals to angle B, but angle P is equals to angle E. and angle Q is equals to angle C, and angle Q is equals to angle F. So similarly, therefore angle B is equals to angle P, that is equals to angle E. So that implies angle B is equals to angle E. So first one condition we got. So therefore angle C is equals to angle Q, that is equals to angle F. So that implies angle C is equals to angle F. But already we know angle A is equals to angle D. Therefore from angle similarity criterion, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Hence it is proved. So this is about the proof of side criterion for similarity of triangles. Okay students, so we are going to discuss another concepts in another videos. Thank you.